What if I told you that if you're watching this video on one of these, that you can prove to yourself in less than 30 seconds that you don't live on that? See if you can follow along. You see, I was at the beach the other day, right about here, and I could see about 20 miles to my left before the beach curved, and I could see about 20 miles to the right before the beach curved. And like I said, I was right about there. And the full distance of that entire expanse is about 42 miles. And well, I just decided to take a nice little panoramic photo. And to do that, I went into my iPhone and I went to camera and I went to pano. And on the pano, what you have to do is follow a perfectly level line. And of course, I don't do it perfectly level, but you get the idea. You need to follow a perfectly level line for 40 miles. And the iPhone even tells you your yellow line is perfectly aligned with the horizon and that you should keep your phone level when it's taking the panoramic photos to avoid poor results. And well, when you take that panoramic photo that is perfectly level, as they say, for a course of 42 miles, there should be that amount of feet of curvature. So just for a point of reference, the Statue of Liberty is 305 feet tall. So there should be more curvature than 3 of those stacked on top of each other. And when you go back and reference this panoramic shot, does it look like there's 1,000 feet of curvature from that side over to the other side? Or is it level? You need to remember, if you live on a ball, there's curvature in all directions. Not just this way, but side to side. And are you seeing any curvature? 1,000 feet of it? I don't think so. So if this website tells you there should be that many feet of curvature in 42 miles, and that curvature doesn't exist, and every other calculator that you ever go to says something similar, well, then what's the next step? Do you just say, well, I must not be smart enough, I'm not looking at it right? Or is it possible that maybe, just maybe, there's no curvature? Gotta ask yourself that, because I could tell you you don't live here until I'm blue in the face, and you still aren't going to believe me. You need to believe yourself, because I don't want you to just believe me. Just like I don't want you to believe other people. Believe yourself. Know something in your mind to be true. That's the way you know it's true, not by believing, by knowing. Or you could just go on believing that you live on that, spinning 1,000 miles per hour and chasing the sun at 67,000 miles per hour. It's up to you, because this video is all for entertainment only. I know that the yellow line on the iPhone is clearly somehow curving around a ball, even though it always looks level all the time. It's magic. It's magic. iPhones are magic. This is for entertainment only, of course. I know I live right there. Hi Tyler. Have a good day. You guys have a good day too. Entertainment only.